So welcome back. I'm back from the X Takeover event. It's time to see what things arrived while I was gone. The first was a kind of a small box here from the, what does it say if we zoom in? CustomPuddleLights.com. Start enjoying the where did you get that question. Well, so I guess if I open the box, I'm going to get some questions about where did I get that. So I think I opened it upside down. We have some custom puddle lights in here. What could these be? I know how to install puddle lights, so we'll go out and check those out. And oh, there's even some little instructions and stuff in here as well too. So, all right, give me a second. I'm just going to read these, see if it says anything different from how I know to install puddle lights. And then I'll go out and put one of these in the truck, and we'll take a look and see what it projects. As you can see, it's got like a little projector, nice little projector lens in there. So this should be interesting. All right, stay tuned. I'll be right back. One other quick thing here. The puddle lights come with this little tool, and according to the directions, you can put that into the top of the puddle light and then rotate it one way or another. So if you get the puddle light in the door and you don't quite like the alignment, you can adjust that with this tool. So cool. Not only are they customizable puddle lights, but you can customize what direction they're going in as well too. So, all right, well, let's go put one of these in the truck. All right, for those maybe who've never taken out a puddle light, you can see I've got the wire here that came out of the puddle light that I just took out. There's like a little kind of retaining clip that you just push in, and that piece slides right out. And this is the one that I took out, and you can see it is angled. This is a brighter one than from the factory that I got from another aftermarket supplier. And again, I like it that it's bright, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up the one from Custom Puddle Lights to the same wire, and they've got a little bit longer wire on this one. So let me do that, and I will plug it in here. Make sure I've got it set the right way. Come here. And wouldn't you know, yep, sure enough, there we go. Now I've got my custom puddle light that I'm going to tuck back up inside the door, and then I'm going to show you what this thing looks like. All right, here we are out in the garage. I've shut the door on the truck. Let's see what this new puddle light from Custom Puddle Lights looks like. And if you were opening up your Warthog, what would you want to see? None other than Master Chief. That's right, my puddle light is a, in this case, it's kind of white with the, you know how he has the gold sort of lens on his helmet. It is a Master Chief helmet. So that is pretty darn cool. And you know what? Just like I asked for a particular custom graphic, which I sent to them so that they could turn it into a custom puddle light, you can do the same. You have a favorite icon, a family crest, a flag, I don't know, pictures of loved ones, whatever it might be, something that goes with the design or motif of your Tesla, and particularly your Cybertruck. Well, now you can get one custom made just for you. So check out the links below in the article and order up a set of custom puddle lights for yourself today. These things are awesome. Plenty bright too. I don't know if you can see, you know, like how dark it is in my garage, but this light is as bright or brighter than the previous quote bright puddle lights that I had before. In fact, why don't I open the rear door just to kind of compare. So there's kind of the bright light that you see from just a straight light. Now here is the bright light that you can see from the custom puddle light. So very bright, very cool. It's got the design. It's time to swap out the lights in the other three doors, so I will have Master Chief all over for the Halo Cybertruck. This is Tesla Ken for HaloCybertruck.com. Signing off, stay tuned.